Boogie boo!
Wow. And you know what they'll do? They'll come running at your car and buck you. So I don't suggest you do it because you have a problem. Kim, I want me to help you with that electronic device because I know about electronics.
Don't let him touch it.
Can I do it?
What's that?
Fuck no.
No,
You
I'm
blow a
not.
circuit.
So good.
You look at them and break them.
Brace yourself.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Oh my god, excuse me, I forgot.
Now that's on video, Rhonda.
I'm not gonna flash it over here again.
Ain't bad. It ain't bad.
Rhonda, put a little
That's
bit
why
of
I used to
sample
drink when I
on
used to
your
go to the clubs.
Put a little bit more.
This is on your daughter's phone, just so you know.
Oh, erase that part. Erase what?